Yeah.
afterwards.
Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo.
Alrighty, everybody. Today you guys are experiencing a very special train ride. If you look all the way at the end, you'll see that the yellow engine is not connected to the train. And here we go, everyone. We're leaving the boarding area.
You're right, you'll see a cheesecake factory grill.
She belongs to the OR now, which you'll learn more about later. But everybody says she looks like the train from Polar Express, the Christmas movie. Those freight cars at our train yard also belong to the OR now, lovely folks at Monkey Paws.
So cute. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Aloha everyone at Monkey Paws, from the waiters, the waitresses, and all the lovely customers down below. Hope you guys enjoy your meal and have a great day today. And make sure you give a nice wave to the other Ohanas, the other families too. Aloha everyone. start switching sides. If your car is not super full, it doesn't matter which side you sit on. I just ask that you show aloha to your neighbor. So if somebody wants to sit in your...